second graders. Today for spelling, we are going to practice our new spelling words this week that have the long O sound, spelled with an O, a O-A, a O-W, and an O-E. So what I need you to do is find your blue spelling page under Tuesday's work. It is page number 62, and if you need to pause video to go get it, please do. Once you have your spelling page, would you please nicely and neatly write your name at the very top, please. Then Mrs. Murphy is going to go over our spelling words. We have told, most, float, coat, toast, grow, mow, show, Joe, and toe. Those are our new long O words for this week. Now, what you need to do is you need to sort these down here. So I'm going to look on numbers 1 and 2. I'm going to look for the spelling words that have a long O sound spelled with just an O. So we know those are the rule breakers because they should say ah, but they are breaking the rules and saying O. So if I look at my words, my rule breakers are told and most. So those two are going to go 1 and 2. Numbers 3, 4, and 5 have the long O sound spelled with an O and A. So if I look, I have float, coat, toast. Those 3 would go on numbers 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8 have the long O sound spelled with an O-W. So I have grow, mow, and show. Those all have the long O sound with an O-W. Then my last 2 have long O with an O-E. So Joe and toe. And on Joe, guys, make sure you have a capital J. Mrs. Murphy's going to show you. Please put a hat on the top of the J so that I know it's capitalized. Because if you don't put a hat on, sometimes I think it's a lowercase one, especially if it's not a perfect uppercase size. So number 9 and 10 both have the O-E. Joe must be capitalized. Like I said, please go like this for your J. Okay? All right, pause the video if you need to go write your words. When you're done with section A, you're going to go on to section B, the missing letter. So on this one, you are going to notice a letter is missing from each spelling word below. Write the missing letter in the box. Then write the spelling word correctly on the line. So if you look at number 11, I have F-L blank A-T. Well, I know it's the long O sound, and it doesn't even have an O, so we have to put an O there. Full oat. So I'm going to write the O in the box, but I'm not done yet. I have to write the word correctly on the line. So I spelled F-L-O-A-T. All right, go ahead and finish numbers 12 through 15. When you're done, keep this in a safe spot and you will turn this in Thursday so Mrs. Murphy can grade it. You also need to do one spelling city activity. I haven't assigned anything, but I'm wanting you to go practice your words either on Hang Mouse, Letterfall, Aim to Spell. Do one game or one activity to practice your spelling words for this week because we will have our spelling test again on Friday on Spelling City.